If you like boring, then click off this video. But if you don't, maybe you should consider something else the next time you're renting your vehicle on your next holiday. Aloha and welcome to Hawaii. My name is Kurt, and this is another episode of Southdown Garage. Let's get into this. Don't be like everyone else. Rent something different. And you never know. You could pay less and get more. That's what I did. We rented a 2021 Ford Explorer ST for the same price as you could rent a Toyota Carola. Now let's take a look at this thing. How do you know it's an ST? Right off the bat, you open the door, you take a look at down the sills, take a look at the steering wheel, take a look at the seat, and just in case you didn't already know, take a look at the 10.1 inch screen. This vehicle is 400 horsepower. It does 0 to 60 and recorded on my Explorer, not this one, a 5.3 seconds and a quarter mile of 13.91 seconds. They are quick, but they are responsible as well. Look at the interior here for a second, okay? So you look inside the vehicle, you've got these front seats are heated and air-cooled seats. The back seats, they're not, but they're comfortable. My mother-in-law said it's much more comfortable than a Jeep, which is what we rented the last time we were here. In the back of the trunk, we have lots of rooms for activities. If you have more people with you, you can put up to 7 people. This does have the bench seat, so it does have that option. And if you don't, you can just lay it down for more stuff when you go to the beach. Because let's be honest, you're in this place where I'm in right now, the last thing you're thinking about is groceries. I mean, come on now. This is a peer-to-peer renting service. It's like renting your home through Airbnb. You want to treat it right. Like when you rent a house through Airbnb, you look for something special because you don't want to go to a hotel. You want to spend $600 a night to look out a balcony at someone else's balcony. This is nice. Like you wanna have something that you can enjoy. That's why you rent on peer-to-peer sharing apps. Hello everyone, welcome to my crib. My name is Kurt, but this is where I stay when I'm away. This is our beautiful kitchen. Let's go check out the bedroom. Nice rain shower head, beautiful. Let's head outside. Like Turo, you get a vehicle that you want. You get a discount on the price. I mean, I tried to rent a Jeep, just as an example. A Jeep in today's money is $3,500 US. Like, what in the living snot? For 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I paid $15 for that. I couldn't even rent a Carola for less than $2,000. It was stupid. It's like we came out of a pandemic and then all of a sudden it's just like, jack it up. Gotta make back that money. So treat it right, cover your butt, and take it and enjoy it. Let me show you how exciting it can be with this rental vehicle if you decide to rent this over a Carola, even a Jeep. This thing has more creature comforts. It has massaging seats, it has air-cooled seats, it has heated seats. Why would you want heated seats? That's an excellent question. Because you can go up there I wonder if this is the first time that heated seats and the heated steering wheel function have been used in this vehicle, because Uh, you know, this is Hawaii, and not too many people get to experience the cold temperatures up here. But hey, we both have our heated seats on now. We're ready for our descent onwards. That's the observatory. That's 14,000 feet up. It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit down here. It's 44, 40 degrees. It is cold. So you're gonna want something that can take you up and take you anywhere to see whatever you want to see. That's the point of a vacation, to do touristy things or to just go to the beach. It does that well too. It's got lots of storage for everything you want to put in there. Maybe you're not looking at this, maybe you're looking at a sports car, but this gives you the opportunity to look at anything you want. Anything. Sky's the limits. How do you rent one of these things? It's as easy as opening up your app. So let's do that right now. Let's go download the app and let's install that and get yourself something fun and cool. First thing first, open up Google Play or Apple App Store and download and install Turo app. Now open it. Once you're in, you'll have to create an account before you can rent a vehicle. You can sign up with a Google account, or if you don't have a Google account, you can click the email list below at the bottom, like this. Now type in your email. I'm the best at google.com. First name, I'm. Last name, the best. Now put in your password. Something secure, of course, like what I'm doing. Just kidding. Agree to the terms. Blindly, of course. Yes, click. Now you're in. Now that you've signed up, go pick out where you're going to be vacationing and the dates that you'll be there. Then search for the car you want. Oh, this is a good one. Click on this one. Check out the details and make sure you check out the review at the bottom. Just imagine yourself driving it, doing some hard pulls. Oh, never mind. Wife's not gonna let that happen. Maybe you're not going to be able to rent this one, but you can check out something else like this. How practical enough for you? What about this? Maybe that's better. But once you've found the car you're looking for, make sure that you know the return policy before you click rent. Most vehicles allow last-minute cancellations. Click on the vehicle and you're off. Now that you've gone ahead, you've done all your preparation, everything else, you've got your car, you've done all your checking to make sure your insurances are covered, make sure you're covered and completely while you're away from home in a different country even. Do a walk around with your camera. I did a walk around the first day we had the vehicle. You want to walk around, you want to film everything, and before you give it back, you want to film everything, like go through the interior especially. Also, what you want to do is you want to take pictures before you hand your car back. Turo requires at least 4 to 5 pictures when you return the car. If you check the person when you rent the vehicle, they may have up to 30. So if I were you, I would also take as many pictures as I can and then upload them to Turo app before you return the vehicle. Because you have to fill out that information, put your photos in so that you can return the vehicle and make sure there's no issues. Lastly, I want to talk about insurance because this is something that was not covered well anywhere I read. Your insurance company, if you have extra coverage for rental vehicles, will not cover you on Turo. So if you are renting on Turo, pay for the extra insurance. If you don't, you could be liable for up to $30,000. That's the deductible on the insurance. So make sure you protect yourself. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. And I want to thank you because today we officially broke 1,000 subscribers. It's all because of you guys. If you want to find out what it's like to drive the vehicle around Hawaii Island, take a look at this video over here. If you want to find out what happens if you don't buy insurance, take a look at this video over here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care, and we'll see you on another episode of Southdown Garage. Bye for now.